A shocking case of online fraud has surfaced from Angul. A local businessman has lost a staggering 52 lakh rupees in a trading scam. The victim has been identified as Rajesh Saralia, a resident of Gandhi Marg in Angul town. According to reports, Saralia received an international phone call last month. Fraudsters convinced him to invest through a trading app, promising unusually high returns. Tempted by the offer, the businessman deposited money in 5 phases amounting to over 52 lakh rupees across multiple bank accounts. But when he later tried to withdraw his funds, he realized he had been duped. Soon after, Saralia lodged a complaint at the Angul Cyber Police Station. Confirming the case, SDPO Ramakant Mahalik stated that an investigation is already underway. This incident serves as yet another reminder of the growing threat of online trading scams.
आमर अभियोगकारी होचंती राजेश कुमार सरलिया तांकर घर होची गांधी मार्ग अनुगुल से 29 तारिख दिन साइबर थाना रे रिपोर्ट कले जे तांको गोटे इंटरनेशनल कॉल पाइले से कॉल द्वारा तांको गोटे ट्रेडिंग ऐप रे पोर्टल रे गोटे जॉइन करिया कोई भलो इन्वेस्टमेंट रो गोटे लोभ देखे अभियोगकारी प्राय प्राय 52,26,000 टंका डिपोजिट करछन्ती 5 ऑक्टोबर रे सब्सिक्वेंटली किछि दिन परे जतले से ए पैसा जो डिपोजिट करछन्ती ताको रिटर्न पई चाहिले सेउटु से जानि परले जे एटा फ्रॉड हो जाइछि तापरे से साइबर थाना रे आसी रिपोर्ट करछन्ती जोथर तांको रिपोर्ट रे 17 नंबर केस 17/25 साइबर थाना रे केस रुजु हेछि